First, create an empty folder for me to store the files that you will download. Go to the folder you just created and start downloading the files from Git. Please go to my GitHub website, but note the new version and the old version. The new version has the username 270397 Royal, and the old version has the username 2307 Roy. The judges can see the folder structure that I have prepared here and the commands here. Please follow the video to ensure my submission runs correctly. The judges can see that there is already a folder called XFighterZone Linera Microchain game. That is the root of the project. Now, download the 4 zip files that are already on Git, including client frontend, admin tournament frontend, server lobby, and server tournament. Extract the 4 files after finishing the download. Copy the 4 files and place them into the root of the project. Now, start Docker using the command that I have prepared. Sometimes you may encounter errors like this. I hope you can be patient and try again one more time. After starting the basic container server lobby, Linera orchestrator, and client frontend, please start the tournament server and admin tournament frontend for me. Start client frontend on localhost 5173 and admin tournament frontend on localhost 5174. Do not worry about the red errors. They are texture errors caused by compressing the project graphics for the web environment. Create the tournament as we guided in Wave4. The ID must still be 18,124. The order of buttons to press is create or get participant, check participant, set pass to lobby, start tournament, random bracket, and init QF round. Bet matches will open before the game starts to give players time to place bets. Then the betting period will close before the game begins. When the game is completed and submitted to the contract, the bets will be settled, and rewards will be given to those who bet correctly. Okay, bet matches will open before the game starts to give players time to place bets. Then the betting period will close before the game begins. When the game is completed and submitted to the contract, the bets will be settled, and rewards will be given to those who bet correctly. You can see that the corresponding match pairs in the bracket will be displayed on the user betting UI in the lobby. Now I will open the bets for 120 seconds. You will see the client UI update immediately. Check to see that Linera orchestrator has received the command to open the bets, and the client has also received the information from Linera orchestrator. All commands such as opening bets, settling, or other checks will be in the file or -test-commands.md. You will need to pass the match ID or user ID consistently for the logic to work. Now I will show you a betting command and check it on the chain. First, you will see Linera orchestrator receiving the bet command from user test1. Check all of that using the existing commands. This is the place bet command that I just executed on the UI. It requires the username, match ID, the player they are betting on, and the amount they bet. This is the command we use to get the betting parameters of that match to calculate the pool and rate. That command will be applied to the pool and rate for players to analyze. We have not handled the issue when the admin closes the tab on Chrome, which causes the logic to go into sleep mode, temporarily freezing the timer. But since we consider it not very important, we have not fixed it yet. The important thing is that the time for the user is always correct under any circumstances. Okay, now I will start a mock match and submit it. The results will be returned, and the winnings will be paid to the users who bet correctly. Test 2 is the winner, so I bet wrong because I chose Test 7. As a result, I will lose the previous 5,000 tokens. First, test the transaction history on the chain. As you can see, the transaction status is lost and the transaction amount is 5,000. One more thing, we have updated the copy function, and now you can copy as usual.